Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Esther Jogona. Once again, I'm back with another interesting video kama kawaida. So guys, it's another beautiful day that God has granted unto us. But before we head on over, guys, hit the subscribe button and for the notification bell, so each and every time I upload a new video, you'll be among the first people to be notified. So guys, yes, welcome back. This is our first video we are doing after we left Mombasa. So and you can see the sun is so hot. We are in TRM. We have come to shop for the shoes. It's back to school, and I have decided to take you along with us. We are going to shop for the shoes
and the rest.
No, we have already shopped the books and some shoppings. Yeah, so we said let's prepare going back to school with you. So we are going to Bata, and also I was thinking of window shopping for the vacuum cleaner. I'll still take you along, and more to come. So see you soon. Are you ready to go back to school?
Yeah.
How ready are you?
I'm 100% ready.
Sure.
Yes.
So let's get over to the Bata.
Okay. May I see, please?
Yes. Bye. See the prices. What? Hii ni kadogo. This one are huge. It's 23.12. So I don't know. I've never used this thing, but I want it. Which one is the best company?
This one, the white one, because she will be very. Don't need to look. The best one is this.
But it doesn't have a lot of meaning. Ebu guys, today was just a window shopping. Just recommend me which one to buy.
And the refrigerator.
Hi, how are you all doing? So guys, the following day of our preparation to be going back to school. Yeah, yesterday I left you when we were going to Carrefour to do the window shopping of the vacuum cleaner, and again I saw them and I was so much confused. I didn't have I have not done the research, enough research, so I don't know which one is the best. So guys, kindly, if you know about them, kindly refer me. Yes, so today we are going to someone to say hi. That is my niece. Yes, and my girl, they are busy. We are going to the salon in town. Yeah, so we make our hairs, and then we are escorting my big sister. Hi. Yes, Mama, say hi. Mom. Hi. Mama, say hi. Hi. Yes, are you ready to go back to school?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Bebe, you are ready? Yes. How ready are you?
100% ready.
Yes. Yeah, wamekaa sana home actually. 2 months is not really true. Let them go and study. Na sisi wazazi, Mungu atubariki, tupe haso mzuri, tungangane, si ndio? So let's take you along to the salon, and then we know what next. So see you in town. It's time for us to have lunch. before twende salon. Well, this is what we are having. Having platter. We have chicken. This, what do you call it? This is chicken pilau. We have goat, we have guacamole and chips and some accompaniment of juice, milkshake. And yeah, so let the girl enjoy before she goes back to school. Nasikiaje? Guys, we are already have finished lunch. So we are here at Magic Designer. So let's go and glam our heads, our hairs. And this girl is getting ready to school and mama is getting ready to hit the road. Sasa tuende ndani tukatengeneza. See you when we are done, right? So guys, as you can see, tumemaliza kutengeneza nywele. So come here baby. Yes, as you can see now the girl is looking all beautiful. And mama also. So mama aende afanye kazi na wewe uende ufanye nini? Usome vizuri. So I don't know if we end this video here but before tuendelee, guys, kindly hit the subscribe button, like, share and comment down below. Yes, mama say bye. Mom, say bye. See you next time. See you when we come back from school. See you. Yes, so it has been an amazing preparation, and tomorrow we are going to the school now. Yes, we are poor. So I love you all. Kindly hit the subscribe button, like and share. And guys, by the way, I still have the videos of Mombasa. Do you think I should still post them? If yes, kindly comment down below and I'm going to give them to you. Alright, I have a lot. We recorded a lot, so I have not given you all, even the one that we came back with. So guys, see you later. Love you.